Now you were asked what to do. Go back to here. You were asked to see what is the limiting value of the variance as n goes to infinity. Okay? Now, at least what you have to do is find out the variance of the theta hat. Right? And going back to here, this is the expressions. And in terms of u theta hat would becomes what? Before we have n over this guy, right? That means n over u is our theta hat. Okay, and if we would like to find out the variance of theta hat, how can we do? At least we have to find out the second order moment of theta hat, and together with the first order moment of theta hat as well. And some of you guys, up to this point, even provide you the hints, you stop. Okay, you get a hot stare. 停咗手，去咗呢度，又唔記得我講過，不斷講完又講，講完又講。唔該，你考試都要記住呢樣嘢。I try to repeat it with English a while later. 我講過 n 咁多次，凡係你遇唔到嘅唔識搞嘅積分咧，得一個可能性嘅啫，就係加碼。OK， 永遠都係得加碼㗎，我唔會跣你哋㗎，放心，淨係得加碼，我唔敢俾其他嘢你哋啊，因為絕對唔敢㗎。OK， so how can we deal with these two expectations one by one? How about deal with the easier one first? Okay, so bear in mind whatever integrals you found hurdle to integrate it, you found no clues to integrate it. That's the only reason. It should be gamma. Okay. By that time during the exam, during the assignment, well, may not be the assignment because you got the chance to plagiarize with from your homemates or from your classmates, okay, or learn from your classmates. So it would not appear in the assignment anymore. But during the exam, even though you don't know how to do, write down the words gamma. Okay， 喺考試嗰陣時乜都唔識做，唔該你寫翻個加埋呢個字算。OK。我都見到你，哇！你有個哲學嘅分析喎 ，OK， 我都諗下，俾1分你啦 ，OK。So expectation of theta hat is what? Is calculating expectation of n over u. And the main problem is when you guys seeing the u appear in the denominator, you were frightened. Okay, you found scary. You have no guts to move one step further. Why not? Just write it down in terms of the density functions, integrating from 0 up to infinity. N over u. So what? Just keep it. Theta n and then un minus 1 over gamma n e to the power theta u, right? du. This is the usual calculations you have to carry out. But by this time, what you do? Combining similar factors. What similar factors we have? U here, right? Nothing wrong. And then combine it. And what we have? 唔夠位寫，我喺後邊寫。等等。This is n. This is 點解寫到咁？等先。Okay, this is n. Okay, and then we move to the next bit. So let's see. So here we got integration. That is equal to n. I factorize this n out. I take this n out. Okay. And hence what we got, integrating from 0 up to infinity, u n minus 2. Theta still to be n. Okay, theta still to be n. 我使唔使抄一次喺後邊再計啊？哎呀，真係要。我再抄一次啊，怕你哋 n over u 得唔得？跟住咧 u n 減1除加埋 n， 呢度有個 theta n 喺度 ，OK。跟住咧 e to the power theta u du 得唔得？我抄一次，我冇做過嘢，抄一次 ，just copy again。Okay, I did nothing at all right here. Okay, is that right? So we try to simplify this guy. We have n. Gamma n coming out, integrating from 0 up to infinity, we have un minus 2, e minus theta u, and also theta n minus 1. Sorry, n theta n minus 1. I keep it here. And then we have 1 theta only here, up here. Okay? I split the theta power into 2 parts. Here is the first and here is the second. All right? So you know how to do, right? What is this? It's just gamma density. We derive it with gamma n minus 1. Multiply it with gamma n minus 1 here. Okay? And everyone else is already ready to make the whole thing here to be equal to 1. So it's done. So it's just n theta gamma n minus 1 over gamma n. But we know there's a recursive relation between gamma. So here is n minus 1 and then gamma n minus 1. So we remove these two guys. And turns out at the end, the answer is just n over n minus 1 theta. This is the mean. This is the mean. Okay? 就係咁。OK， 我其實可能我應該咧一開始咧，其實係咪應該喺 exam paper 嗰度咧，最初頭呢度應該再加多一個 remark 喺度，寫個加 mark integral 個款喺度。我諗我要大隻字寫埋喺度。OK， so how about the variance? We now understand the mean. How about the second moment? You just keep everything the same, right? You just keep this guy now, rather than un over u. Theta 2 squared now is equal to n squared over u squared. So we have add up square here as well. Okay? And then by that time, we have square here instead. We have n squared. U squared now becomes n3. And we have theta squared. And this guy becomes n minus 2. And we have n minus 2 here as well. So we are done. Okay? We get the same answers. Similar answers. Okay? 得唔得？ Okay? 好啦 well, how about the method moments? The method moment is easy. Just comparing the mean and the variance. Okay? I don't think I would go through it in details.